Hello everyone, this is Millicent from Makeit and welcome to Suzhou Makeit. Now I'm in our factory. It was founded in 2010 and our factory have more than 50,000 square meters and more than 300 employees. So today let's go to the factory with me together. The main product is polyester stable fiber. We can provide both virgin and recycled fiber for our customer. We have already exported more than 60 countries. Here are our product certificates like SGS, GIS, ITS, OEQ, etc. Now I'm in the raw material workshop. This is the intelligent drying machine system. This is the machine. Now we can see this is the spinning machine. Here is the cleaning machine. Here we can see it's the winder machine. This is the drafting machine. Now we can see this is oven. Now we can see this is the cutting machine. This is the packing machine. Here is one of our warehouse. This is a natural gas heat system. It makes up for the shortage of long heating time and large energy consumption in oil heat system.
Ether.com make global trade easier.